Hello and welcome to this special deep dive.
Hello, everyone.
Today, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to learn some English words.
That's right. Specifically, words for your morning routine.
And this is an A1 level lesson, so it will be very slow.
Very step by step, so it's perfect for beginners.
Exactly. So our mission today is to follow a short story.
A story about waking up and, my favorite part of the morning, making coffee.
So please listen very closely.
And it's really important to repeat every sentence out loud.
Okay, I think we're ready. Let's begin with some new words.
Sounds good. We have 5 words for you today.
Our first word is wake up.
Wake up. So what does that mean?
Well, wake up means stop sleeping.
Right. Simple. Repeat after me.
Stop sleeping.
Good. Now for an example.
Example 1. I wake up at 7.
Repeat after me.
I wake up at 7.
And how about a second example?
Okay, example 2. She likes to wake up early.
Repeat after me.
She likes to wake up early.
Excellent. So remember that word.
Wake up.
Okay, what's our second word?
Our second word is bathroom.
Ah, a very important room. Bathroom.
And bathroom means a room to wash.
Exactly. A room to wash. Repeat after me.
Room to wash.
Okay, let's use it in a sentence.
Example 1. I go to the bathroom.
Repeat after me.
I go to the bathroom.
And one more.
Example 2. The bathroom is next door.
Repeat after me.
The bathroom is next door.
So the word is?
Bathroom.
Perfect. That's 2 down. What's number 3?
Our third word is cabinet.
Cabinet. This is a good one.
Yes. A cabinet means a kitchen cupboard.
A place for things in the kitchen. Repeat after me.
A kitchen cupboard.
Okay, an example would be great.
Example 1. The coffee is in the cabinet.
Repeat after me.
The coffee is in the cabinet.
Good. And what else might be in a cabinet?
Well, example 2. The cabinet holds cups.
Repeat after me.
The cabinet holds cups.
You're doing great. The word is?
Cabinet.
Okay, on to our 4th word for today.
Our 4th word is fresh.
Ooh, I like this word. Fresh.
It's a great word. Fresh means clean, cool, new feeling.
That's a perfect description. Repeat after me.
Clean, cool, new feeling.
Let's give an example.
Example 1. My face feels fresh.
Repeat after me.
My face feels fresh.
And what else can be fresh?
Well, example 2. I like fresh air.
Repeat after me.
I like fresh air.
Great job. The word is?
Fresh.
All right, we've come to our last word, our 5th
Our
word.
5th and final word is sip.
Sip. It's a small word for a small action.
It is. Sip means drink a little, slowly.
Just a little bit at a time. Okay, repeat after me.
Drink a little slowly.
Now for the example, I think I know what this will be about.
I think you do. Example 1. I sip my coffee.
Repeat after me.
I sip my coffee.
And for the second one,
Example 2. She takes a small sip.
repeat after me.
She takes a small sip.
Perfect. So our final word is?
Sip.
Very good. That's 5 new words.
Yeah.
Wake up, bathroom, cabinet, fresh, and sip.
Exactly. And now we will use these words in a story about her morning.
This is where you get to practice, so listen carefully.
And remember to repeat every single line. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
It is early morning now.
Repeat after me.
It is early morning now.
Okay, what happens next?
She opens her tired eyes.
Repeat after me.
She opens her tired eyes.
And then
She gets out of bed slowly.
repeat after me.
She gets out of bed slowly.
Where does she go first?
She goes to the bathroom next.
Repeat after me.
She goes to the bathroom next.
And in the bathroom.
She washes her face carefully.
Repeat after me.
She washes her face carefully.
How does that feel?
The water feels very fresh.
Repeat after me.
The water feels very fresh.
Nice. Okay, where to now?
She goes to the kitchen now.
Repeat after me.
She goes in the kitchen now.
And what does she do there?
She looks inside the cabinet.
Oh, what does she do there?
She looks inside the cabinet.
Repeat after me.
She looks inside the cabinet.
What is she looking for?
She finds the dark coffee.
Repeat after me.
She finds the dark coffee.
Ah, coffee time.
Yes. She begins to make the coffee.
Repeat after me.
She begins to make the coffee.
I can almost smell it.
The coffee smells very good.
Repeat after me.
The coffee smells very good.
And now for that word we learned.
She takes a warm sip.
Repeat after me.
She takes a warm sip.
And how does that make her feel?
She smiles a happy smile.
Repeat after me.
She smiles a happy smile.
A perfect ending to the morning routine.
She feels very happy now.
Repeat after me.
She feels very happy now.
Excellent repeating. That was the whole story.
And you did a great job using the simple present tense.
And speaking of grammar, we actually learned a small rule in that story.
We did. It was a rule about the word she.
Right. So when we talk about she, we often add an S sound to the action word, the verb.
Exactly. Let's repeat that rule. It's important. Repeat after me.
When we talk about she, we often add an S sound to the action word.
Let's go through some examples from the story.
Good idea. So, I wash becomes
She washes. Repeat after me.
I wash becomes she washes.
And what about I go?
I go becomes she goes. Repeat after me.
I go becomes she goes.
And let's do one more.
Okay, the last one. I look becomes she looks.
Repeat after me.
I look becomes she looks.
And that's it. That's the simple present rule for she.
Great work today. That was a lot of new information.
It was. So please practice this story again later. It really helps to remember the words.
And now, to finish, we have 2 simple questions for you about your morning.
Yeah, we'll ask the question and then we will wait for a few seconds so you have time to think and answer.
Okay. Question 1.
Do you like to wake up early?
Pause of force.
Good. Now for the second question.
Question 2. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Pause force.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You are making really wonderful progress today.
Absolutely. And remember, this kind of consistent, slow practice is what builds fluency.
It really does. Keep trying every day, and you will see your English grow.
Thank you so much for joining this deep dive lesson.
Yes, thank you. And we'll see you next time.